Maybe you're not like me, maybe we don't agree. Maybe that doesn't mean we gotta be enemies. Maybe we just get brave, take a big leap of faith. Call a truce so me and you can find a better way. Let's take some time, open our eyes, look and listen. Yeah, and we're gonna find we're more alike than we are different. Revolutionary, revolutionary. Let's get revolutionary. I'm turning the TV down, drowning their voices out, 'cause I believe that you and me can find some common ground. See, maybe I'm not like you, but I walk a mile in your shoes. If it means I might see the world the way you do. Let's take some time, open our eyes, look and listen. And we're gonna find we're more alike than we are different. Why does kindness seem revolutionary? When did we let hate get so ordinary? Let's turn it around, flip the script, just slow, love quick. God help us get revolutionary. Revolutionary. Let's get revolutionary. What would Jesus do? He would love first. He would love first. What would Jesus do? He would love first. Yeah, he would love first. So we should love first. Why does kindness seem revolutionary? When did we let hate get so ordinary? Let's turn it around, flip the script, just slow, love quick. God help us get revolutionary.